finally, the average person throws away 3.5 pounds of trash every day. How much trash would the average person throw away in 1 week? Huh. I only see one number here. How do I know what I'm going to multiply? How do I know what I'm going to multiply? Yes, ma'am.
7 days in a week. Because it says how much will they throw away in 7 days.
Right. You're going to see this a lot. You're going to see a lot of different problems that talk about, cups of coffee per week. And unless they tell you per week, Monday through Friday, you're going to multiply this by 7. So you're going to multiply 3 5/10 pounds times 7 days in 1 week. Tell me, sir, how many pounds of trash does the average person throw away in 1 week? 24 5/10 pounds. Now, for the practice, the classwork that you have down below, I just want to go over 2 of those problems real quick. And maybe even add an additional step to your algorithm. So what does the first problem say? Question 1 on the classwork. One 2/10 times 7 7/10. What did I do here that's not on your problem? What did I do here that's not on your problem?
X, which is Y.
Yes, but that's in my brain. I always put an X instead of the dot there. What did I do? That's different from on your paper. Okay, I did what?
Bigger number.
Big number on top. It's not actually a huge issue. Line them up. So your problem is written like this. One 2/10 times 7 7/10, right? Does your brain work that way? Mine doesn't. Absolutely make sure that you line it up and down or vertically. And then, once you get to that point, all you're doing is following your steps. I multiply as I regularly do. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1. Carry that down here. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 7 is 7. I add 4, 12, 9. Now, step 2, I have 1 here and 1 here. Took 1 to the right of the decimal, another 1 to the right of the decimal, so I know that total, I'm moving 2 decimal places from the right. So my final answer, 9 24/100ths. Next one, let's set the second one up too. Can you tell me what number 2 says for me, please? Number 2 said, yes, sorry.
8 and 23 hundredths times
8 23/100 times 0 2/10. We're going to line this up vertically. And now we're going to multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 8 times 2 is 16. Hold our spot. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. Now we're just going to add all that. 6, 4, 6, 1. And I have 2 decimal places to the right here. And I have 1 decimal place to the right here. So that means total, I'm moving in my product 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. And my final answer is 1 646 thousandths. We feel good about this? Yes? 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 Okay. You're going to think about the next 5 to 10 minutes or so. You're going to work on your own. You absolutely are showing all your work. You're going to line these up vertically and you're going to solve them. I'd be happy to come around, answer any questions you might have. Just use your algorithm. That's what it's there for. Then once we're done with that, we'll get going with the mastery check, and then you'll be done, so. Deal? All right, I'm done talking.